Kuino. Pakichikan nga si Kuino dyan.
Pangalan?
Kuino.
Ito, dito si Kuino, chikan ko. Ito yung dilaw, di ba? Ah, ito yung sa dilaw, tapos ito yung sa ano.
Parang dilaw eh.
Ay, gag. Ano?
Dark na lang to. Dark sila.
Pero na naman.
First five for Gilgius, number 33, Navarro, Dutz, Mark Henry, Brian, and Ron Cuevas.
Boss. Good luck, boss. Good luck, good luck.
For Philocare, Salile, Paza, Alaska, Concepcion, and number 20.
Makaplay na no?
First possession, Judy Heroes. Mark Henry, 2 points.
Sige lang.
Mark Henry.
Concepcion, 2 points.
Kano, itapat mo na doon.
Ah, ganito na?
Stay mo lang doon.
Una agad. Nasulat.
Wills, 2 points. Concepcion. Kuhira. Wala. Iwan Cuevas.
Sige, sulat mo lang muna yan. Sulat mo muna yan.
Sino yung isa? Si Cuevas? Naka 2 points?
Concepcion.
Oo, hindi dito. Dalawa na eh. 4 points.
Si Kuya Dudes.
Si Kuya Dudes.
Saka si Mark Henry.
Concepcion. As to Hazard. Sinasakay number 20. Salile. Olaska.
Hindi, wag ko na sundan. Iwan mo.
Ah, okay.
Concepcion.
Kaya mabilis lang yan. Igagano.
Rides. Sinasakay Salile. 8 seconds to shoot. Salile. Wala. Around single. 3.8 seconds to shoot. 3.8 seconds. Salile, Kaja, wala. Good lang, good lang, good.
Tapos tamat mo na lang. Tapos bitaw mo na. Tapos focus ka lang.
Kuya Dud. Kinasa kay Mark Henry. 2 points. Concepcion for 3. Wala. Rebound. Wala. Second nice foul. Offensive foul. Number 27. First personal foul. First team foul.
Gusto mo yung foul niya. Si number 27.
Dito?
Ah.
Dudes. Wala.
1 foul.
Yun.
Kasi sino yung nag-fall kay Kuya Dudes?
Foul number 20. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Wala number 20 dito. Dito number 20 dito.
Ah, okay.
Talagyan mo na.
Ah, Chris Corpus.
Ayos, tugma tayo ah. Tugma tayo, 6-2.
Kaya nga. Kuya Dudes.
Wala yung una niya.
Wala pa.
Second shot is good para kay Pedro. Concepcion, kinasa kay Salute. 14 to shoot. Chris for 3. Run for 3. Wala. Rebound. Corbus. Kinasa kay Salire. Salire. Wala. Rebound. Paza. Kinasa ulit kay Salire. Arubas.
Quiz pa lang nakaka-score.
Kuya Dodge, hindi mo sa wala.
Taas.
Concepcion. Papasa kay Corbus. Wala. Rebound. Tubis. Salile drives. Pass to number 8. Pasa. Wala. Salile, wala pa rin. Rebound. 7 on the line. GD Gibbs. Official score 7-5. 2-point lead by GD Gibbs. Roy, Asuhar Henry. Pinasa kay Quedud. And may foul.
So, ang foul,
Foul number 20.
Second foul.
Second personal foul. Third team foul. Single. 12 second shot clock. 12 seconds. Single. 11 seconds. Quedud. Is foul na naman.
grabing last net.
Foul number 20. Third personal foul. Running for penalty. 2 shots for number 20. Dudes. Number 27. First shot is good. Sabi ko sa ref, Luisito E, for the south. Chris for 3. Shot, rebound, Quero.
Foul number 12, Green.
Penalty ref. Foul number 12. First personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty na, no?
Penalty.
Number 14.
First shot is good.
Puro free throw na sila.
Second shot, no good. Rebound, Doras. Salili, pinasa kay Paza. Full shot, wala. Rebound, good. Pinasa kay Ron. Ron, pinasa kay number 33, Navarro. Wala. Rebound, Salili. Pinasa kay Louis. Jump ball. Back ball, back ball, back ball. Hey, Louis. Full shot. Pero may foul. Foul number 27, Brooks. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for number 6, Luisito. P2. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Brian. Pass to Goods. Pinasa kay Kuya Basket. Ay kasama pang foul. Foul number 12.
Salili na naman.
Second personal foul. One shot for number 33. No foul. One shot, no good. Also short. O'Meara, 2 points.
Galing, no?
Ryan. Steal. Concepcion, pinasa kay Paza. 2 points.
Plaza.
Paza. Paza.
Ryan. is foul. Foul number 12, third personal foul, penalty.
Ba't false yun? Tatlo. Tsaka si Corpus.
First shot is good. Second shot is good. Shot clock is off. Eight seconds. What's the shot? Nasa kay Pasa. 2 seconds. Salile. Still by Mark Henry. And at the first quarter, official score. 14-10, 4-point lead by GD Jewels and Friends.
Mas every ano.
Back to the Morgan. Light ball, light ball.
Light ball.
Ay, nakapos na. Okay na? Okay na. Diyo si Big Boy.
Panalo na yan.
Si Big Boy. Ay, ano nga ang number niya? 18? Si Koy nasa si Koy.
Check ko.
Meron na. Meron na,
Ah,
diba?
siya.
18. Kanya pa yung hindi. Ay, Koy na pala siya.
Ryan. Pass to Manuel. Pinasa. Out of bounds. Sayang. Pagkakasap naman. Concepcion. Pinasa kay Tino. Tino. Pinasa kay Taza. Concepcion. Drop pass to number 27. Is foul.
Ayang, ganda. Naikot mo.
Number 8. Number 8. Nabokot. First personal foul. First team foul. Two shots for number 27. First shot is good. And shot was good. Foul number 8, Maza. First personal foul, first team foul. Brian. Drives, kick out to Manuel for 3. Wala. Rebound to Yorenki. Foul number 18.
Sa kabila, sa kabila. Ah, parolan.
First personal foul, second team foul. Concepcion against Brian. Concepcion. 2 points.
Kuya Christian. Kuya Christian.
Ada is foul.
Sabay ko siya kanina.
Number 11.
Foul number 11.
Ilan na?
First personal foul, third team foul.
Kay Chris nga, alam ba't maniwala?
Hindi, may dumating kasi yung mga taga dito sa school lang. Tinitignan eh. Kung mare-report na naman tayo.
Dikit lang, no?
Shot na good.
Limaw to. Siya lang. 13-14. Mamaya pag lumabas siya. May mga parking na ba doon available?
Manuel. 2 points. Concepcion is still by the moment. Ball to Juan, number 19. Hazard. Pass to number 27. Quino, 2 points. Number 19. Sinasakay number 18. Parolan, wala. Rebound, Quino, pero may foul. Foul number 18. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Quino for 3. Bang!
Sige, sir.
We are all tied at 18. Mga kaibigan. Brian. Pinasakay. Pero ikaw. Sabi sa ref.
Number 27. Checking.
Number 27, second personal foul, second team foul.
Sayang, bago.
Number 18, pinasakay number 8. Brian.
Galing.
Wala. Rebound. Corpus. Pinasakay Concepcion. Concepcion. Drives. Lays it up. Looks good for Chris Concepcion. Lamang na po ang Philocare. Still by Cuyo. Cuyo pinasakay Salile. Salile. Concepcion pinasakay Cuyo. One-hander. No good. Rebound ni Cuyo. Still by Namaha. Pinasakay Ferdy. Manuel. Drives. Wala. Rebound. Urete. Nabuta na yung Salile. Concepcion. 3-on-1. Concepcion. 2 points by Cuyo. Number 19. Spins. Tail. Salile. Pinasakay Concepcion. Timeout. Giri Jewels. Official score 24-18. 6-point lead by Philocare.
Galing ng pase.
Idol talaga yan, idol. Idol ng mga kids. Wala ba doon lahat, ano?
Buffalo Booking. 6-point lead by Philocare.
Pumasok kayo dun. Huling.
Ron, pinasakay Mark Henry. Wala. Rebound kay Laurenti. Salile.
Uy.
Concepcion, shimmy. Pinasakay Salile. Tumira 3. Apek ni Ron. Ferdy. 2-on-2. 3-on-2. Manuel nabitawan ng bola. Arbas. Back ball.
Foul.
Corpus, wala. Rebound number 33. Ron, pass to Ferdy. Pinasakay Quedos. Drives, wala. Cuino against number 33. Cuino, fake. Wala. Rebound. Cuino pa rin.
Sayang.
Cuino is foul.
Foul number 10.
First.
Foul number 10, Mark Henry. First personal foul. Penalty.
Sila naman ngayon, puro foul. Penalty, ref, penalty!
Penalty.
Shots. Tignan ka.
Hindi po stop time yan. Aquino.
2 shots for Ira Aquino.
Bang bang.
2 shots are good. Second shot is good.
30 seconds.
Navarro, 2 points. Shot lang isa.
Last 10 seconds.
8 seconds. Offensive foul, number 18, Kuno.
Tak talaga si Idol.
And the first half official score, 25-20.
Ayan, nag-aaway na. May nakapos pa.
Third quarter. Pasha, pinasa kay number 27, pinasa kay Kuino. Layup, wala. Rebound, Kuino. Pero may foul.
First. Mark na ba?
Number 33, Navarro. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Hira. Kuino. No good. Second shot is good for Hira Kuino. Ryan pass to Ron. Back to Ryan. Pinasa kay Dulce. Back to Ryan. 10 seconds. Ryan, pull-up jumper. Good. Kuino. Pinasa sa labas. Pasha. Pinasa kay Kish. Concepcion. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Green ball. Dark ball. Dark ball. Concepcion for 3. In and out. Rebound good. Pinasa kay McHenry. Against number 27 and Paza, wala. McHenry pa rin. Pinasa kay Brian. Brian, Lilibad, wala. Rebound, Paza. Pinasa kay Kuya Louie. Kuya Louie, pinasa kay Paza. 2 points for Chris Concepcion. Brian. Pass to number 33, Mark Henry. Goods to Mira, 2 points. Abot ako walang ulit ang Philippines. Luisito, pinasa sa labas, out of bounds. Lego.
Sub next dead ball. Sub next rep.
Mark Henry. Navarro. Mark Henry for 3. Malakas. 3 back to Louis. Pero may foul.
Sub, Ron.
Saan ko sir, ref?
Oh, si Kuya.
Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? Foul number 14, Brian.
First.
First personal foul. Second foul. Edu. Pass to Concepcion. Nasa Aquino. May foul. Foul number 27. Second personal foul, third team foul. Concept shot. Hook shot is good. Para kay Cruz. Ang idol na nakakita. Manuel. Pinasa kay Goods against Tuilo. Goods. In and out. Rebound kay Goods. Mark Henry. 2 points. Concept shot is still completed by Goods. Ryan drives against Tuilo. Huli. Same ball. Substitution rep. Substitution.
Yung naka-green na shoes. 99.
Parolan, wala. Wala. Napunta kay Chris. Against Moore. Chris, pinasa kay number 27. Wala. Rebound pwede. Pinasa kay Bo. Bo. Drives. Pinasa kay Arabang. Sabi ko sa rep. Kaliliin. Pass out. Chris. Still by Tweedles. Pinasa kay Brian. 4 on 3. Brian. Wala. Rebound si Brian. Manuel. Kakasa na 3. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Kuha ni Tuilo. Chris. Pass to number 97. Arba. Brian. Puso. Wala. Rebound. Pupunta kay Chris. Concept shot. Shimmy. Layup is good. Manuel. Wala. Rebound Louis.
Dead ball ka.
2 points for Chris Salile. 8-point lead by Philocare.
Malas mo ano?
Balance.
Salile all along for 2 points.
Angat ko? Okay.
Ryan, pinasakay. 14 to shoot. Goods, pinasakay Paralan, 2 points.
Number 18.
Chris, pinasakay number 12, Salile. Wala. Rebound, number 18. Pinasakay Brian. Brian, number 18. Same ball. Substitution ref, substitution. Pasok. 15 seconds to shoot. Single. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Arkel for 3. Wala. Rebound Concepcion. Tumira to one. Unti-unti na lumalayo ang Philocare. Manuel, fake, drives to one.
Sino yun kaya?
Si Manuel, number 11.
Manuel.
Concepcion, pass to Tuino. Wala. Rebound, Manuel. Pinasa kay Paruchel. All alone. 2 points. Bueno. Sa loob. 2 points. Manuel drives. Wala. Rebound number 27. Pero may foul.
Number 19.
Foul number 19. Sabi to sa ref.
First.
Number 19, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Chris, pinasa kay number 27. Wala. Rebound number... Paruchel. Escape by Chris. Shot clock is off. Concepcion. Pinasa sa labas. Sanile. Fakes. Fires. Wala. Rebound Puino. 8 seconds. Concepcion. Pinasa Kuya Renti. Wala pa rin. Kuya Renti ulit. Wala pa rin. Kuya Renti. Pinasa kay Kuya Chris.
Counted.
Basket is good para kay Chris Concepcion. Paruchel, 2 points.
Palagi na ako check na room.
Paruchel, Chris, pinasa ni Plaza. 2 points for Corpus. Manuel. Pinasa kay Paruchel. Ano ba? Single. 9 seconds. Shot clock. 9 seconds. Manuel. 5 seconds. Paruchel. Steal by Guino. Counter steal by Paruchel. Paruchel. Steal by Guino. Concepcion, Plaza. 2 points, technical foul.
2 points si Kuya.
Si Pasek. Number 8.
Basket count, technical foul on number 8 for lapping.
Sanggalan yun sa para register lang.
Okay, sige.
Yeah.
Thank you. Buti sinabi mo, hindi namin nakita eh.
Kuya Francis. Kuya Francis.
Kakampi niya yan ah.
Bukas.
Warning on yellow ha, delaying the game.
Warning,
Number 99.
number 99 for delaying the game. Labas kayo sa guhit, labas sa guhit. Technical free throw yan, technical free throw.
May foul dun.
Technical foul number 99, Paruchel.
May foul dun, Kuya.
Okay, isa.
Shoot ba?
Wala pa, di pa naman. Kasi tumitira. Pinadali. Hindi kanila. Na-shoot eh, na-shoot.
First shot, no good. One more free throw for number 8.
Foul pa naman pala.
Paza, wala ulit. Yellow ball card. Light ball. Pinasa kay Marshall. Bike. Kabalik kay Manuel. For 3. Bang!
Mark, sa'yo si Hiram.
Hiram for 3. Babawi. 2 points for Tuilo. Manuel, isa pa. Wala. Over the back foul, number 8. Second personal foul, first team foul. Farmos, 2 points. Giri Jewels.
Corpus 3 points.
2 points na.
Hindi ko na paano. Pares. Hindi ko na papalitan ng rice eh. Nayan ako kay dito eh.
Nakapalitan ng rice.
Papalitan ko sana ng rice. Kaso na-prepare niya agad.
Mami.
Another timeout by Philocare. Timeout Philocare.
Si Zamora nandiyan kumakain din.
At mamaya natin sa lobby.
Wala alis si Tito ng 4 eh.
Hindi, ibig sabihin mamaya. Bakit di mo muna nilabas yun sa akin?
Alam mo dito. Opo eh.
Kuya, tumers ka na. Ayun na yung hinihintay namin.
Idol na si Kuya Chris.
Kaya nga.
Yun lang. Sapakin mo!
Hindi, joke lang. Makamumula ka kayo
Giri Jewels ball. Right. Pass to Cleveland, 2 points.
Hindi pa kami kumasusi sa akin.
Concepcion. Out of bounds. Right ball. 12-point lead by Philocare.
Saan ka lang nagpunta kayo dito dito.
Ryan. Pinasa kay Mark Henry. Alley-oop. 2 points. Bueno. Is fouled.
Samson.
Foul number 18. Second. Corpus is fouled. Foul number 19.
Dalawa na.
Second personal foul, third team foul. Two shots for number 20, Corpus.
Corpus. Kayang kumain yung Corpus.
First shot, no good. Stop time, tapo tayo. Second shot is good. Ryan. Right, pinasa Mark Andre, pinasa ulit kay Panalan, may foul.
Fouls number.
Foul number 18, Uino. Offensive foul? Offensive foul, number 18.
Port na yun, port na.
Number 18, fourth personal foul.
Warning for that.
One for the Nuggets. Concepcion. Layup, wala. Rebound. Brian. Brian. 2 points.
Okay na.
9-point lead by Philippines.
Siglaning, no? Ay,
Hindi, si Brian. 40, number 40.
10 seconds. Concepcion. Steal by number 18. Pinasa kay Paruchel. Paruchel. Gantay na kasama. Paruchel. Tumira. Sukong. 7-point lead. 7-point lead by Philocare. Double foul.
fourth na si Corpus.
Number 20, Corpus, fourth personal foul. Number 19, Mom, third personal foul. 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. Offensive foul number 20. Graduate. Ryan. Tira ng tres. Wala. Offensive foul. Offensive foul number
18, yellow.
Foul number 18, Brian.
Technical foul number 11.
Technical foul number 11, Manuel.
Second na si Manuel. Graduate na yun siya.
Si ano?
Number 18, graduate.
$45.52.
Technical shot is good. Bukan saya nak kena pakai salin. Kena pakai Concepcion against Arthur. Concepcion. 10 seconds to shoot. Concepcion. 5 to shoot. Louis. Number 14, 3-on-1. Kena pakai Baruchel. Wala. Rebound number 19. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 27. Kinasakay Castanilo. Concepcion. Kinasakay Salino. Seconds. Concepcion. 5 to shoot. Cuino. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Baruchel. Baruchel. Kinasakay Pedus. Wala. Rebound. Cuino. Ten seconds. Salile for 3. Bang! Shot lagi off. Number 19, wala. Rebound, Pedus, 2 points. And of the whole game, official score 56-47, 9-point lead by Philocare. Peace.